Mi mamá se quedó sin aceite. ¿Y a quién van a mandar? ¿Y a quién le hablan a que venga a comprarlo? Y no sé dónde está. Oh, wait. I think I found it. Automotive stuff. Oh. Secured. No, ni sé cuál es. There's so many options. My mama over there on the side of the road. She's like, girl, we making decisions here. So 5:30, 10:30, 10:40. Let me Google it. Car on me. Scan your M7. That's right. Let's go. Okay, now we're looking for her on the side of the road, and I can't find her. I don't know where she is. Bruh. That girl on the highway. So we gotta go jump on the highway to save her. Okay, here we go. On the highway. Sir, you better hold on. This car. This guy trying to be all funny. He knew I was recording him. Oh, I see her. I'm gonna put my emergency lights before I crash. There she is. And I'll smash right into her and be like, ah! Look at this girl. What is on her head? This girl. And the ladies in the back. That's right. Saving my mama. And if you don't got one, you make one.